I would say don't try this at home. We're professionals, but we're not even professionals. Same night, different video. So yeah, we're now working and we're going to do drop links, front drop links. We've also got a video of the rear drop links that we did the other week, but we're going to put them in with this video. So you'll see all drop links done on this car.
There's a little knock on the front on these, but the rear ones were ruined, as you'll see.
Yeah, so. You know what I mean?
Oh my word!
Don't put yourself.
Oh,
it went. Yeah.
Great success.
Yay!
There we go.
Nice,
Absolutely
shot to pieces.
shot.
So, right, so we've brought it in. This time we're going to get the car up on the lift and we'll go through the process. What we'll do is we'll get the car up. Hopefully we won't have to grind them. It has been done before. So yeah, stick along for the ride. And yeah. Right, so we'll get the car up, no dramas. Yeah, let's get it up. Show the folks at home what it is we're going to do. And then we'll capture it on the GoPro because the time lapse. So, successfully took the wheels off the car and jacked it back up. So what we're getting at now is we're just spraying a little bit of WD-40, WD. On the other side, we're going to work on the other side first. We've got some lighting going on. So hopefully, it should look pretty sharp. Oh, look at that. I'm maybe a bit too bright. Sorry guys, don't want to blind you.
We've got our old friends, the Allen key head with these ones.
Yeah.
So
we did this before on a Volvo XC90, one of Sam's other cars. If he decides to keep it, we'll hopefully get some good videos on that as well. But yeah, we had to grind it off. I do have a video of that, but hopefully if we have to grind anything off today, I'll do a nice slow-mo. Safety first goggles and all that. Right, so just sizing up what we need now. From the toolbox from the shop that we shall not name, but I think everyone can figure out who it is. What we'll do is we'll go through this as we're going through it. So every mistake that we make, you'll come along with us. And then we'll do the other side just on a time lapse.
what I might have to do is I might need a helping hand there.
All right, yeah. Right, I've got the ratchet. Look at that, but this is how you do it.
And I can sort of hang my weight off it. Ready?
Yeah, I'm born ready. That actually went.
Not just got.
Yeah. That's surprisingly easy.
Yeah, these never come off.
No, that's very weird.
The amount of these I've had to grind off in the past.
Right, so this is the top part coming off now. As you can see, it's got an Allen key that just holds it in, and then a 15mm nut on the end of it. Actually, we want that still.
Also clamps this bracket on as well by looks
Is that for the ABS sensor, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it holds a bracket for the ABS sensor.
That's it. That's hand tight.
Yeah, basically we tried to get this bottom on, but it's rounded like you won't believe. So we're gonna have to probably gonna have to grind it off. which is good because it means we get some awesome slow-mo of Sam. We also had a bit of an accident. Thankfully we wasn't filming, so health and safety can't kick our bums. But poor old Sam, look.
Yeah, please.
Made me a nice cup of coffee.
Turn the wheel.
Mate, this is nice coffee. Yeah, so that was a bit of a nightmare really. So this, unfortunately we wasn't filming, but as you can see, nothing goes to plan all the time. So, but we're not professionals, we're just doing this and taking you along for the ride. So hopefully we'll get this ground off and we'll get it. And it's getting cold. But hopefully McDonald's for tea. How's your head, buddy?
Right.
It's a tough old boot, isn't he? Look.
Right.
Yeah. Right, so we'll set the grinder up and hopefully we'll get some awesome slow-mo of us grinding it. Right then. So what we're doing, Sam?
Well, we're going to have a go at grinding this off now because it is solid pretty much and rounded now.
Yeah.
So
Right.
it happens. They're pretty cheap parts, so they're not really designed to be taken
Right, so
on and off much.
safety first, he's got his goggles on, we've got the grinder, we're all in a safe place, so
It's a bit of an awkward angle, but
yeah, what we'll do is get it in, and then as soon as you're on, mate, I'll go to some slow-mo. Stand by for slow-mo. The offending article that's just come flying out, and it's that hot, look. I put my foot on it and it was actually smoking, burning the rubber. Yeah, not good. So yeah, be very careful if you're ever grinding. I would say don't try this at home. We're professionals, but we're not even professionals. Yeah, we are. Right, after a bit of grinding, which you've seen an awesome slow-mo, hopefully we've got it out, and there's a culprit on the floor, so I'm just going to pick that up and have a look at it and see how bad it was. As you can see, it's probably really hot, so be careful. Oh, actually it's not. As you can see there, look, it rounded off to all sorts of proportions. We was never going to get it off in a million years, so out comes the big boy's tools. So that's one. So now it's just a case of
fancy new ones.
fancy new ones. So I'll let Sam do the unboxing because there is bits. Oh, exciting! Excited.
Oh, buzzing.
I like new tools and new stuff. Oh, look at that! So yeah, it's a bit bad that we get excited by like toolboxes and stuff for cars, but there you go. Happy days.
There we go.
Oh, look at that. Oh, shiny. Really like it.
Nice and tight. Ball joints there. Unlike the old ones, all loose.
His poor head, look. Look at his poor head.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Battle wound, that's what it is. Odd job battle wound.
No, that's good. Look, that's got two choices. You can either go in with the spanner,
Yeah.
or with the Allen key.
Oh, nice. Beautiful. So as you can see, it's just slotted in nicely at the top. Slotted in beautifully at the bottom. So it's just a case of two locking nuts now.
Don't forget to put this ABS bracket back on.
Yeah, so good shout. Good shout. Nice. All in the day's work, eh?
Okay.
We're in. Just a case of tightening up now.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Switch to time lapse. So yeah, last bit on here. Move on to the other side. I hope we don't have to grind it. There's that coffee. Oh yeah. Nice. Right, so looking at the other one,
Get that spanner on there, and then that means we can now get a socket on.
yeah,
So it's actually going to be far better.
again, learn by doing, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Right then. Hopefully this will go without any real sort of issues.
With a bit of luck.
Hopefully. Might have to grind this side off.
Without getting clattered in the head again. That'd be nice.
Yeah, so
These are different sizes though, so that's going to be
15, wasn't it?
Aero 15, yeah.
Yeah. So to get them off there, because the old drop links have got a 15 on. Yeah. So there we go. Probably didn't even have to grind the other one off, but hey, we show you how it is. Learn by doing, follow us along. Right, I've got hold of this one if you need it. Oh, look at that. It gave. Yay! Well, that was a lot easier.
Yeah.
So yeah, next time, actually look what we're doing. Right, so that's the bottom one now out. And look at that.
So hopefully we can do the same
With the top one.
this time.
Yeah, didn't even need me, look.
Oh, big boy.
So look how easy that was. All I'm going to say is it was an automatic. It had to have been, because I just couldn't put the power down, and yeah, it was really wet, and you know, I wasn't concentrating,
More
and
excuses.
yeah, just maybe I just wasn't paying attention. Oh, right, nice.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably had a bit more life in them, to be honest.
Yeah, but I mean, it's like anything, is it? If you change your tyres, it's my thing. Change both the fronts. If you're going to change a drop link, you might as well change them both. Same with, I mean, I'm sure it's pretty obvious to most people, but
So,
you know.
there is some movement in that. That's
Yeah, it's, you know, it's not going to do it any harm by changing them. Like you say, what was it, 10 quid?
tenner. Yeah.
Bargain.
That's it.
Oh yeah, nice. Ooh,
So as you can see with the with this bottom one, the joints really loose. Not dead. There's
Yeah.
no resistance there, but with a new one,
Oh yeah.
it's got some real stiffness to it.
Definitely. Again, it's worth, like I say,
new and tight.
new 10 quid.
Inexpensive job, so why not?
Exactly.
Yeah, it keeps us amused as well.
Real nice material must have given you that, you know what I mean?
Good quality that. Right, so same drills.
Got the socket.
Cheers it is. So we got
You on, bud?
Yep.
Look at that.
There we go.
Perfect.
2 new buttons.
Right, that's all that's left for us now is to tidy up, get the wheels back on, drop the car down, drive off, test it.
Give her a spin.
Happy days. Right. Anything else to add, mate?
Let's take it for a ride.
Yeah. That's a good ending. Let's take it for a ride. Right, so that's Cmax done. Just leave Sam to clean up because that's how I roll. Come on now, I'll help. Thanks, man. Right, so that's it. That's the Cmax done. Thanks very much for watching if you managed to stay with it. And you can see we're doing this all for the first time, so mistakes were made on the first one, but we got it off, and plus we got a chance to do some slow-mo with the grinder anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you again soon. Anything to add, Sam?
See you later.
It's brilliant, brilliant.